There's a color we haven't seen in a while in these current temperature maps, this nice shade of blue here. I'm a fan of this color. I really like this shade of blue. Not a fan of these temperatures, though. 27 degrees. It's really chilly in Ithaca this morning. There are 29 in the Valley and Elmira. At the Binghamton Airport, we're the warm spot around the region. It's 32 degrees. Those untreated roads, the secondary roads especially, sidewalks, driveways, things that aren't treated will be very, very slippery. So allow some extra time as you head to work and send the kids off to school today. It's going to be a slick morning out there. Steve is exactly right. There is some nasty weather coming up, some very cold temperatures, and some wintry weather too. Snow, ice, sleet. We'll talk about it coming up right after this on News Channel 34. As the system started to move up the coast again, the air kind of wrapped around the low pressure system. Air flows counterclockwise around a low pressure system, and now we have some very cold air coming down from Canada, and that's what we're seeing this morning. This is the picture of this morning, and all this stuff right here is lake effect snow. So this cold air is coming down, the winds have started to pick up, and the temperatures have gone way down. Maybe take your loved one on Valentine's Day. That's a good idea for a date. There you go. Dating advice and weather here on News Channel 34. We try to do everything here on News Channel 34. Jen, not the best week weather-wise, but you know, if you like ice, it makes things look kind of pretty out there.
Yeah, if you like ice skating, but it's hard for driving. You want to be safe on the roads.
Right, if you like ice skating on your lawn, for example.
All right, Jordan, thanks a lot.
Good idea going out for a bike ride today.
Absolutely, definitely an A+. And as far as the grade on Monday, Memorial Day, what do you give?
A-. A little bit of showers and maybe some clouds in the morning, but then nice.
But plenty of time for people to go out and do what they need to do.
Oh, absolutely.
On the holiday.
Yeah, it's going to be a nice weekend.
Sounds good.
And I have 4 weather watchers with me today. We have Lauren, McKenna, Megan, and Samantha. And guys, thanks for coming on. I got to ask you, Lauren, why don't we start with you? What do you think about today's weather?
I love it.
Oh, you love it? You like the hot weather out there?
Yes.
McKenna, how about you? What do you think about the weather?
I like it because I can go swimming.
Oh, that's a good one. How about you?
I love it, but the only thing I don't like about it is it's really hot and you can get really sweaty.
Yeah, it is. But if you bring a lot of water, though, then you can cool off. How about you, Samantha?
I really like it because I can get a tan and go swimming.
Oh, that's a good answer. That's some very good outdoor activities to do. So 4 out of 4 here at the Oakdale Mall like today's weather. So thanks, guys, for coming on, being so brave, and enjoy the weather. Bring plenty of water, though, if you go outside, all right? So let's go to the maps, and I'll show you some of these current temperatures that we're seeing outside right now. Welcome back, everybody. We saw a couple of snow flurries pass through the region this morning, maybe just enough that you have to dust it off your car this morning. But I do think that most of the roads will be clear, and these snow flurries that are right around the region, right around Ithaca, you can see they're very light stuff. Maybe in northern Tioga County here, moving into northern Broome County, we may see just a couple of lake effect snow flurries, but really nothing more to speak of. Most of the area actually becoming pretty clear pretty quickly, so that's good news. We are going to see nice weather today with plenty of sunshine, and any snow flurries that are still around the region will end by the middle of the morning. Also, the winds that are causing these snow flurries over the lakes will start to die off as well. So temperatures temperatures as they rise will actually feel like they're supposed to. We won't see any of that wind chill effect. So that's a good thing. So overall, pretty nice weather today. Unfortunately, tomorrow not looking so nice because of this right here over Arkansas and Louisiana and Missouri too. It's a big system here that's going to start pushing towards the northeast. It's starting to get its act together right now, and this will start pushing towards the northeast as we progress through the day on Friday. So I do think that it will track mostly to our south. It's probably going to take this kind of track here where it goes through the Virginias, then makes a turn into Pennsylvania off the Jersey Shore and out to sea. But that means we will be on the northern fringes of this storm, so I think that we'll probably pick up about 2 to 4 inches of snow. That's tomorrow. But today we'll see plenty of sunshine, but the sun won't really help us to warm temperatures up too much. We'll only see high temperatures in the mid-20s or so. Like I said, periods of snow for Friday with a high temperature of around 28 degrees or so. Maybe a couple of leftover snow flurries on Saturday and a high of 32. But then Sunday and Monday looking real nice as a high-pressure system takes control, and we'll see temperatures of around 40 degrees or so. So just a couple of inches of snow tomorrow, Jen. Nothing too big, 2 to 4 inches of snow. But then for the weekend, it's going to look pretty good. Those 40s and sun are it's looking good.
All right, thanks, Jordan.
All right.
That does it for this morning's edition of Daybreak. Thanks for joining us, and have a great day.